Charlie, admit it. You were talking to your friend about buying a new pair of sneakers, and 20 minutes later, boom, sneaker ad on your feed. You think your phone is listening to you, Anna. Master, I have bad news. It isn't listening. It doesn't need to. Today, I am going to show you the exact tech they use instead and how to shut it down. First, think about the engineering. If Facebook recorded audio from 3 billion people 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, their servers would literally melt. Plus, your battery would die in 2 hours and your data bundle would vanish. The math just doesn't work for them. So how do they actually do it? They use two main methods. Method number 1, location mirroring. Let's say your phone's GPS is sitting right next to your friend's GPS for an hour. Your friend just searched Google for Nike Air Max. The algorithm doesn't need to hear you talking. It simply guesses. If these two are hanging out, they probably like the same things. They didn't hear a word, they just saw your location. But what if you're completely alone in your room? That brings us to method number 2, the invisible pixel. Let's say you read a blog post about best laptops for IT students. You didn't search for it on Google, you just clicked a random link. Hidden in the background of that website is a tiny invisible dot of code called a metapixel. That pixel sends a silent packet of data straight to your Instagram app. So when you open IG 5 minutes later, boom, HP and Dell laptop ads. No microphone needed. When they combine your location, your pixels, and your search history, they build your digital ghost. They track how long your finger hovers over a picture. They track which public Wi-Fi networks you connect to. They have thousands of data points that predict your behavior better than your own mother. It is not magic, it is predictive modeling. Turning off your microphone won't save you. But here is exactly how you can starve their algorithm right now. If you're on Android, go to Settings, tap Google, tap Ads, and hit Delete Advertising ID. This wipes your digital ghost clean. If you're on iPhone, go to Settings, tap Privacy, tap Tracking, and turn off Allow apps to request to track. This cuts off the data pipeline completely. Charlie, stay paranoid, but stay smart. Don't let them track your data for free. Drop a comment below if you've ever had a creepy ad follow you, and subscribe to CyberSense for more. I'll catch you in the next one.